Let's head on over to downtown, take a live look over our Allo Communications camera, and I want to point out the roads here. A lot of the main roads, they're actually pretty good in terms of driving conditions right now, but a lot of the side streets and residential streets, yeah, that's where things get a little bit more dicey. So if you're driving tonight, just be careful. Look for slick spots, as we did have some melting on the roads today, so any of that liquid that remained on the roads as we went into the nighttime hours, yeah, that is going to freeze and perhaps forming a little bit of black ice in some areas. Made it up to 14 degrees in Lincoln. The snowfall had a cooling effect on our temperatures, but mainly in the eastern part of the state. We made it up to 14 degrees in Beatrice, but we see warmer temperatures off to the west. Made it into the mid-20s in Grand Island, even 30 degrees in Kearney. Here's where we stand at this hour. We are in the single digits in many locations. 5 degrees at Southeast Community College, 5 degrees as well along Denton Road, 5 degrees also in the airport, but go to East Campus, you're at 11 degrees. So there's a little bit of variability in and around town, but generally the cool spot of the night so far has been the airport. We've seen a couple of in between the hour observations of 3 degrees at some points in time. Broadening out the view, we see single digits mainly off in the east, but we see warmer temperatures off to the west like we saw this afternoon. 20 degrees the current temperature in Kearney, 21 in Grand Island. As far as low temperatures go tonight, we're saying 5 degrees in Lincoln, acknowledging that the airport will likely get a little bit cooler, but I think on average in the city right around 5 degrees. 5 degrees in Beatrice, but probably going into the teens for the Tri-Cities tonight. So a chilly evening, and the wind speeds, they're not overly strong, but it's just enough to cause a wind chill, perhaps making it feel slightly below 0 degrees for the majority of the nighttime hours. By 9 o'clock, wind chill values will likely get above 0 degrees and will stay that way for the next couple of days. Let's pick up Stormcast 11 o'clock tonight, looking at mostly clear skies, not any cloud in the vicinity of southeast Nebraska in the overnight hours, but I think by the time we get towards tomorrow morning and into the afternoon, we'll be watching some high clouds moving from northwest to southeast. Still mostly clear overall. Just some high clouds moving into the area. 38 degrees our high temperature on Monday. I do think there will still be some snow on the ground that will have a cooling effect on our temperatures. Some computer model guidance has had us going into the 40s. We have a cool bias because of snow on the ground. But overall, a warmer day and a little bit more breezy tomorrow afternoon. Wind gusts will slowly rise as we get towards the afternoon hours, perhaps approaching a ballpark of 25 miles per hour in the afternoon. Now let's jump forward to Tuesday. We should warm into the 40s there. That'll do a good number on our snowfall accumulations with temperatures in the upper 30s tomorrow and 40s on Tuesday. But then we have another batch of cold air that's poised to move southeast. Arrives on Wednesday. Temperatures will drop, as we'll see in the 10-day forecast in just a moment. We do have a weak disturbance that is set to arrive sometime on Wednesday evening, and there's still some discrepancy as to how this will track. It's possible that it could track in a way where it entirely misses the capital city, but we do think there will be some light snow showers somewhere in Nebraska, the best chance being south and west, but it's a little bit close to Lincoln right now, so we are going to introduce the chance for a snow shower on Wednesday evening, but again, understand it's not a guarantee we will see snow showers on Wednesday evening, and even if we do, it's not looking like we'll see significant accumulations out of that. So 9 degrees on Wednesday morning, 21 degrees on Wednesday afternoon. Looks like we'll be cool to close out the end of the week, but then long-term computer model guidance suggests that as we go into the weekend and into the following week, we should start to warm up. We may even have to warm up the temperatures that we have in the latter half of our 10-day outlook.